Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check uploaded photos in Google Photos. First, let's open our Google Photos app, and as you can see there are many pictures in my Google Photos. But when you access Google Photos through their app, it shows you all the pictures that you have in your gallery as well, not just your Google Photos pictures. So what can you do to check only the photos that are uploaded on your Google Photos account? To check the accurate photos, go to your browser and go to photos.google.com. Here you will see I only have 4 photos uploaded on my Google Photos account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.